Bekah, and welcome to an early autumn afternoon here at our little farmhouse on the northern plains of Iowa. Autumn, a season that helps encourage us to embrace change and to find beauty in transitions and to relish the simple pleasures of living. It's a season of beauty, a season of reflection, and a season to slow down. So I've been in this crazy fall mood and decided to get in my kitchen this afternoon, cozy it all up, and go stir crazy, literally. But I'll be making warm homemade applesauce, fire cider, and a comforting potato and sausage stew. So as always, I'm so glad you're here with me today and have stopped by for an autumn visit here at our home, the Carriage House. So first I'm going to make the homemade applesauce because it does take several hours to cook in the slow cooker. And I will leave these recipes for you down below, by the way. But that way I can go ahead and make the fire cider and the potato and apple sausage stew while the sweet and tart apples are softly transitioning to a yummy sauce. And I may go ahead and serve this as a sweet dessert for tonight, or it would be wonderful to give as a gift to someone who may need a little bit of cheering up this fall. Just put some in a little mason jar with a tight fitting lid and it should last for several days in the refrigerator. So now I'm just going to finish peeling and cutting these apples.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, yeah, ooh.
So now I'm on to making the fire cider. The cold and flu season will soon be upon us. So fire cider is a wonderful homemade tonic to have in the home this time of year. And this particular cider has fresh cut onions, ginger, garlic, jalapenos, along with apple cider. And you store it in a dry, dark place for about 4 weeks. Then you strain it, and the benefits of all these elements are amazing to your health. So I'm going to start chopping all of these veggies and show you how it's done.
You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh.
So it's beginning to get a little late, so I should probably go ahead and start making dinner for everyone. And if you don't know, I am a homeschooling mom of 4 for about 11 years now. But it's always a delight to bring a delicious and nutritious dinner to the table for everyone. And plus, cooking can be therapeutic. It can allow us to be present at the moment, listening to the sounds of onion being sauteed in olive oil, the aromas of fresh ginger, fresh herbs, fresh garlic. Remembering these things can help transform cooking from a daunting task to a beautiful and mindful task. So again, I'm going to begin making the beginnings of a cozy autumn dinner.
The slow day, the calm, and the night will unfold. I never thought that I would be traveling this road. People keeps missing, the clouds seem to fade. And every occasion I whisper your name. I'm happy to hear that you'll still be around. I thought you were leaving without a sound. In my little world, you are both pros and cons. It's hard to admit when you feel you don't belong. So tell me, are you still in there? As beautiful as you are, you just don't know how far. In this world I'll be right by your side with arms. Even if you don't want, you wrote your name in my heart. You're out where you're laughing, the curls in your hair. I wish that I could tell you how much I really care. Your harmless desire at the tip of your tongue. All of your bruises and all of your fun. Tell me, are you still in here? As beautiful as you are, you just don't know how far. In this world I'll be right by your side with arms. Even if you don't want, you wrote your name in my heart. In this world I'll be right by your side with arms. Even if you don't want, you wrote your name in my heart.
It's now time to say goodbye, to clean up, give the kids a bath, and finally bedtime. And I will leave more heartwarming videos for you here. Please subscribe if you haven't already and become part of our slow living homemakers circle, where we cherish the simple pleasures of everyday living. Wishing you well, and stay safe, my sweet friend.